Setting dark mode in Notion is a simple process. Dark mode incorporates darker backgrounds, emitting less blue light. This is beneficial for your eyes and promotes better sleep, making it especially useful for extended use in dimly lit environments or during the night. So let's look how to do this. First of all, open the Notion application on the website or desktop application or mobile app. By default, it is in light corner mode, so change it to dark. First of all, click on Settings and Members on the left pane. Then click on My Appearance on the left pane. Then under Appearance you will get three options: Light, Dark and Use System Settings. From this you can select Dark Mode. As soon as you select Dark Mode, then it will apply in Notion app as shown here. Note that Dark Mode preferences usually sync across devices if you're signed in to the same Notion account. This much for today. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Also click on bell icon to never miss any update.